show that tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Hence or otherwise, find the exact value of tan 75 degrees. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Donald Siame, author of Eden Mathematical Genius Within Revealed, 4 books now. Okay, so for you to show that this tan alpha plus beta is equal to this, first thing you need to know the properties of or the identities of double angles. Yes, identities of double angles. For example, you need to remember these properties. So properties, let's say if you have sine of a plus b, sine of a plus b, so the identity for this one, sine of a plus b, is equal to, this is the sine of a cos of b plus sine of b cos of a. So this is the identity for sine of a plus b. Okay, we have a plus there. Okay, so if you have let's say we have cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b, this is equal to, we are going to have cos of a cos of b minus sine of a and sine of b. That is the identity for cos of a plus b. Okay, what's the other one which is going to be applicable on this one? Okay, so the other one which you need to remember is that just know that tan of a, or let me just say tan of a plus b, tan of a plus b is equal to sine of a plus b over cos of a plus b. In short, tan is just equal to sine over cos. Okay, so here we are asked to show that tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Okay, so what you do here, you get this. This is the left hand side of the equation. You say tan of alpha plus beta, this one is equal to, so this is equal to, I said tan is just equal to sine over cos. So this is equal to sine of alpha plus beta over cos of alpha plus beta. So that is the identity for tan of alpha plus beta. Is that sine of alpha plus beta over cos of alpha plus beta. But we want to show that this is equal to this. So it's supposed to look like this. Okay. So again, from here we can expand. Sine of alpha plus beta can be expanded. This is an identity. It's the first one I gave you. It's here, this one. sine of alpha plus beta is equal to sine of A cos B plus sine of B cos A. Okay, so sine of alpha plus beta, this is equal to, it will be sine of alpha, then cos of beta plus sine of beta cos of alpha. Okay, so at second you just swap. Okay, here sine at alpha, here sine at what? Beta. So you just swap. Then this is over, then an identity for this. So this one will just say this is cos, so this is cos of alpha multiplied by cos of beta. So for cosine, where there is addition, we change to subtraction. So here we are going to have minus, then sine of alpha and sine of beta. Okay, we want to show that this is equal to this. Now if you look at this, here we have a minus, we have a 1, so at the denominator there the first term should be 1, meaning here our first term here at the denominator should be 1. So the second step here, for us to make this 1, you just divide this same term by itself throughout. Okay, so we say step, the next step we just say divide cos alpha cos beta throughout the equation. So every term will be divided by this term. Okay, so tan alpha plus beta is equal to, so we are dividing throughout by cos alpha cos beta. So we were here, so all these terms you divide with cos alpha cos beta. So we are going to have, so here we have sine alpha cos beta. This should be divided by cos alpha cos beta, plus then here we have sine alpha cos alpha sine beta cos alpha, then over we are dividing with cos alpha cos beta. Okay, then this is over, here we have cos alpha cos beta divided by cos alpha cos beta, then minus, here we have sine alpha sine beta over cos alpha cos beta. Okay, now if you look at this clearly, we can see that here we have cos beta and cos beta. So cos beta and cos beta will cancel out, so these two will cancel out. Okay, these two will cancel out, so that is 1 and that is 1. Okay, and here we have cos alpha and cos alpha there, so again these two will cancel out. Okay, here down there we have this one is the same term divided by itself, so the whole of this is going to be cancelled, so we are going to have a 1 to divide out. Then here nothing will cancel out. You can just say this is sine alpha divided by cos alpha, then this is sine beta divided by cos beta. So and remember that sine divided by cos is just equal to what? Tan. Sine divided by cos is tan. So therefore tan alpha plus beta is equal to, here we have sine alpha divided by cos alpha. Sine alpha divided by cos alpha is just equal to what? Tan alpha. Sine divided by cos is equal to tan. So this is equal to tan alpha plus, here we remained with what? Sine beta over what? Cos beta. Again here we have sine over cos. So sine beta divided by cos beta. Sine divided by cos is what? Tan. So here again we have tan beta over, here it's cos alpha cos beta divided by cos alpha cos beta. This is just the 1. So we have 1 minus, here we have sine alpha divided by cos alpha, that will be tan alpha. Sine beta divided by cos beta, that is tan beta. Okay, and you can see that we have shown, this is the exact thing which is here on the question. Okay, so we have shown that tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So you just say hence shown. So we have shown. This was so simple. Okay, and what is the next question from this? So it shows that tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Okay, hence or otherwise find the exact value of tan 75 degrees. So if you hear this word hence or otherwise, it means we are going to use the same formula. Okay, we are going to use the same formula to work out what they are asking us. So what are they asking us? Find the exact value of tan 75 degrees. So we are going to find tan 75 degrees using this same formula. Okay, so let's work it out. Tan 75 okay, so tan 75 degrees. So this 75 degrees must be written in form of alpha plus beta. So how are we going to write it in form of alpha plus beta? So what you do is come up with two numbers which are going to be special angles, from the special angles, because I'm sure we are not supposed to use a calculator for this one. So we need to have special angles that are going to give us 75 degrees. So the special angles are, if you have forgotten, we have 0 degrees. Okay, 0, yeah, 0 is a special angle. We have 0, we have 30 degrees, we have 45 degrees, we have 60 degrees, we have 90 degrees. So these are special angles. So among these, which two can give us 75? The sum of 2, which is going to give us 75. Okay, yes, it's 30. 30 plus 45 is 75. So where there is 75, we put 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. Okay, thank you. So tan 75 degrees is equal to tan 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. Okay, so this is equal to, so now we use the identity. The identity is tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 minus tan alpha times tan beta. Okay, so where there is alpha is 30 degrees and where there is beta is 45 degrees. So just substitute. So we are going to have tan 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees over 1 minus tan 30 degrees times tan 45 degrees. Okay, so I'm sure from the special angles you are able to remember that tan over 45 degrees, tan of 45 degrees should be 1 over square root of 3. So where there is tan 45 degrees, we put 1 over square root of 3. So we have 1 over square root of 3 plus tan 45. What is tan 45? Tan 45 is just 1. Tan 45 is 1. So plus 1. Okay, since we are dividing here, it's over. Let's just say divide by. You can put this in brackets. Divide by. Then we have 1 minus tan 30 degrees. Again, it's 1 over square root of 3. Okay. Then tan 45 is 1, so you just remain with 1 over square root of 3. Then you can work out this. Okay, so here in brackets, this one you can say this is over 1. Okay, so you can just multiply the diagonals here, then divide by the product of the denominators. So 1 times 1 is 1 plus square root of 3 times 1 is square root of 3. So we are going to have 1 plus square root of 3 over, this is square root of 3 times 1, we have square root of 3 divided by, again this is square root of 3 times 1, we have square root of 3, that is minus 1 over square root of 3. Okay, so we are dividing. Since we are dividing, we can change this to multiplication. Okay, we can change it to multiplication. So to multiplication, we are going to have this fraction here will interchange. Okay, the denominator will be the numerator, the numerator will be the denominator. Okay, so we are going to have 1 plus square root of 3 over square root of 3 times square root of 3 over square root of 3 minus 1. Okay, so here square root of 3 and square root of 3 will cancel out. So these two will cancel out. Then we're going to have 1 plus square root of 3 over square root of 3 minus 1. Okay, is it possible to go further than this? I think no. So this is our answer. Since we are not using calculators, we just stop here. So this is tan of 75 degrees. Okay, simple mathematics. Thank you so much for watching.